So here we have the muffler off the F3060. Weird how we've got 3 of these machines and this is the only one that this has happened. It's just pure metal fatigue vibrating around there for, years and years. This one's not dropping down, so I'm gonna have to grind a little bit of the edges away, but I've wire wheeled this part so it looks pretty shiny and clean. It was black. So we'll do the same with this part. That part I'm just gonna wire wheel both pieces and try and get this to drop right down in that hole, re-weld it, and it should fit right back on that tractor. I don't know. These kind of jobs I don't mind doing. This is pretty easy. It's not rusted out. I had a feeling, oh, it must be rusted out, but it's just metal fatigue. There's no rust. The original metal is still all there, so it's not thin anywhere. Weird, eh? But the other 2 tractors, not a crack anywhere all the way around. I can't see the backside too well, but I can see all this side and I can see this piece. So why one machine has done this and the other 2 haven't, I can't figure it out. But let's get the MIG going and see what it looks like when we're done. Okay, we got it all cleaned up. It's fitting pretty nice. I ground a little bit off all the edges and it's dropping right down in the hole. It wasn't dropping in there before. It was kind of sitting on top. I had one little chunk here. It was cracked right around all the sides. I just popped it out with a screwdriver and a pair of pliers. This is back in. I got a piece of this flat bar. I think I'm gonna just stick it in there, cut it to length. Weld that in there, give that a little more strength. I think this layer here of metal is very thin. It's going to be hard to weld around that. This is really thick, but this is not. None of these parts here are welded to this thin layer underneath. So I was kind of thinking of making a few hole, notches in there so I could actually weld both layers together. And you can kind of see. But it's so thin that I don't think I'm going to bother doing that. I've changed my mind. So we'll get that. I'm going to weld this first. I think I have the temperature set for this thicker layer. And I'm going to turn it way down for that other piece. I'm afraid I'm going to burn holes everywhere in that piece. Even at a lower temperature. I think I have 035 wire. I kind of need a 025 for that. Okay, let's give it a shot. Starting to stitch it.
Ooh, got a little hole there.
I can't get at this side. The camera's in the way, so yeah. What are we gonna do? Stick it like this. Yeah, we'll just do that.
couple of cracks right there.
Okay, we're going to turn it way down that welder and we're going to try that. It's pretty thin. Gear goes nothing. I got to turn way down, way down.
It's working. Yeah, that's what I kind of expected.
Yeah, I think it's rusted right out right there. I'm going to cut this, fit in there, we're just going to weld it across all four sides. That's what I'm going to do. I don't really, sometimes I do a video, but most of the time I'm just videoing what I'm doing. And they're really meant for entertainment purposes. If you learn something, great. But if you're expecting me to teach you stuff and cover every point that I'm touching on, really not what I'm intending to do, because, you know, I'm just a guy running a small business, dealing with day-to-day stuff, and I just take whatever's coming at me. I was doing, when I first started my channel, I was putting out 2 videos a week for months on end, and I really had fun. A lot of stuff I put up there is still up there. It's had quite a few views, and if you guys find it entertaining, or you learn something, I'm succeeding in, I guess. So the videos aren't coming as easily as they used to. I shoot a lot of video, I just don't have time for the editing. Matter of fact, I'm behind in a lot of stuff right now. So, but I still really enjoy the YouTube community. I still enjoy the back and forth camaraderie between all the regulars on my channel, and what the stuff I watch too. I try and always throw a comment in, give a thumbs up, because you know, guys, people need encouragement. So that's, you know, and I'm the same. I need some feedback. I need the odd thumbs up wouldn't hurt, and subscribing would really help me. It's a small channel, and I've been around for a little over 2 years now. I'm still hanging in there. I still enjoy doing the videos. And there you go. Job done. Pretty good. I don't know if it's as good as new, but get a few more years out of it. Thanks for watching.